Earlier we have studied root 2, root 3, root 4, root 5 such natural number roots on number line. But suppose given number is not rational number, like it is 2.5, 3.6, then how to represent on number line? So today first we will study the general method to represent root x on number line. Root x on number line means x can be any number. It can be natural number or the decimal number. So first we will draw the AB line of x units. Just now I am general teaching, so drawing as my choice. So AB line I have drawn x unit. And so we will write draw AB equals to x unit. Now extend AB line one more unit and say that point C. So we will write extend AB at C such that AC equals to x plus 1 and BC equals to 1 unit. Now we will find out midpoint of AC. So to find out midpoint of AC, already we have studied the perpendicular bisector. So we will construct the perpendicular bisector of AC. So more than half of AC we will take in distance, and both the side we can mark the arcs. Now we want midpoint only, so we will not draw the line, and O will be the midpoint. Now take OA as radius. And draw the semicircle. It's marked as O, then draw circle with center O, radius OA. Now construct BD perpendicular AC at B. And then join OD. So we have OA equals to OC equals to OD, that is half of x plus 1 by 2, because x plus 1 length midpoint we have found, so it will be x plus 1 by 2. Now OB, it is AB minus OA. From the AB length we minus OA length, and so AB length we have taken as x unit minus OA length we have taken x plus 1 by 2. LCM we take 2x minus x minus 1 by 2, so it is x minus 1 by 2, and so OB length we have x minus 1 by 2. OD length we have x plus 1 by 2 unit. So triangle OAB OBD is right angle triangle, and so we can write Pythagoras formula OD square equals to OB square plus BD square. So we want to find out BD length, and BD square equals to OD square minus OB square. So OD length we have x plus 1 by 2 whole square, while OB square we have x minus 1 by 2 square. So we expand by a plus b whole square, then x square plus 2x plus 1 by 4 minus x square minus 2x plus 1 by 4. Denominators are same, so directly we minus them. Then it will be x square plus 2x plus 1. Due to minus sign will change. Minus x square plus 2x minus 1 by 4. So x square cancel, 1 cancel. So 4x by 4 it is x. So we have BD square equals to x square, and so BD equals to root x. So BD square equals to x, so BD equals to root x. So BD length we have root x. So we take B as origin and BD radius and mark on the line. Then here BE will give us root x length. Let we represent root 5 with this method on number line. For that, first we will draw a line. Mark AB on it such that AB equals to 5 unit, as we want x unit. So now extend B one more point, mark C on that line such that BC equals to 1 unit. So now we have AC length 5 plus 1 6 centimeter. So first we will write construct AB equals to 5 unit, extend AB at C such that BC equals to 1 unit, and so AC equals to 6 unit. Now here easily we can see that AC equals to 6 units, so its half will be midpoint O will be at 3 unit distance, and so without drawing perpendicular bisector we can mark directly at 3 centimeter distance. If we don't know, then we have to draw the perpendicular bisector, but here we know, so directly we can mark at 3 centimeter O. And so we'll write mark midpoint O such that OA equals to OC equals to 3 unit. Now and so we have OB equals to AB minus OA, means 5 minus 3, so 2 unit. Now we will take O as center. and draw a semicircle. Now draw the perpendicular BD. So OD also radius, so its length will be 3 unit. OB we have calculated 2 unit, and so triangle OBD is right angle triangle, and so OD square equals to OB square plus BD square by Pythagoras. So BD square equals to OD square minus OB square. So it will be OD square 3 square minus 2 square 9 minus 4 equals to 5, and so BD equals to root 5. So BD root 5, so we take B as center and BD as radius, and we draw. Then at E point we get BE length is equals to root 5. Now let we represent 4.8 on number line, root 4.8. So for that, first draw a line. Mark 2 points A and B on it such that AB length will be 4.8 unit. Now extend BC 1 more unit, and so again here we will write construct AB equals to 4.8 unit, extend BC AB at C such that BC equals to 1 unit, and so AC equals to 4.8 plus 1 5.8 unit. Now mark midpoint O of AC such that OA equals to OC. Now 5.8 half will be 2.9. So OA and OC length will be 2.9, and so we will mark here point O at 2.9 length. Now we will take O as center and OA radius. And draw a semicircle. Join perpendicular BD. So now we will have OB equals to AB minus OA, that is AB length 4.8 minus OA length 2.9. So that will be 18 minus 9 9, and 3 minus 2 1.9. And so triangle OBD is right angle triangle. So OD square equals to OB square plus BD square. So BD square equals to, we get OD square minus BD square. So OD square we have 4.8 square minus 1.9 square, which we simplify, then we get is equals to 4.5, 4.8, and so BD equals to root 4.8. So we take B as center and BD radius and we draw on circle, then we get E point. So BE length will be root 4.8.